In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Google Sheet to your computer. Whether you're looking to back up important data or share a document with others offline, downloading your Google Sheet is a simple and efficient way to keep your information secure and accessible. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your Google Sheet open. Once you're ready, start by navigating to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see the menu bar. Click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. The next step is to hover over the Download option in this menu. Clicking on Download will unveil a series of file format choices. Let's pause here for a moment to discuss why these options are significant. Google Sheets offers several formats for your document, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're planning to edit the document on your own device or share it with colleagues who use different software, selecting the right format is crucial. Now, you'll see a list of available file types, including Microsoft Excel, XLSX, Open Document Format, ODS, PDF document, but PDF, and more. If you're aiming for compatibility with most spreadsheet applications, downloading as an Excel file is a reliable choice. Alternatively, if the recipient doesn't need to make changes, a PDF might be ideal because it preserves your document's formatting across all devices. Conversely, choosing the Open Document format can be beneficial if you're working with open-source software like LibreOffice. Once you've made your decision on the file type, simply click on it to start the download. Your browser will then download the file and save it to your designated Downloads folder. Keep in mind, the exact download location can vary depending on your device's settings, so it's always a good idea to know where your downloads are being saved ahead of time. If you want to access your downloaded file, just navigate to your Downloads folder and open it from there. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily download and save your Google Sheets file, ensuring you have access to your data when you need it, even if you're offline. Remember, saving your work in advance is crucial, as it helps you avoid losing valuable information due to unforeseen circumstances. Whether it's to share with a colleague, to store offline, or to present in a meeting, knowing how to efficiently download your Google Sheet offers peace of mind and flexibility. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks with Google Sheets and other Google Workspace tools.